Hi there. For this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make it look like you're hacking into a web page by editing the local instance of that web page on your web browser. So to start with, I just have the Eyes Youth, our eDesign homepage, open on mine, but you could do any website you want. It might be helpful to start with the Eyes Youth webpage so you can follow along though. Alright, so come up to the right here with the Settings tab and click it. And then come down to More Tools, and then over to the JavaScript console, and click that. Alright, so this is the JavaScript console. It may have opened on the bottom of your web browser, but don't worry, it's the same console. So come over and click the Elements tab, and it should look something like this. So this part of the tab is the HTML code for the website, which is basically the code that tells the website what to do. And then down at the bottom here is the CSS, the style sheet. This tells the website how to format itself. So like how to space itself out and what color to have and stuff. You can learn more about HTML or CSS in our Bootstrap video under the web design. Alright. So you can come through, and as you see, when you highlight different parts of the HTML code, it will highlight different parts of the page on the side. So that means that that part of the page corresponds to that part of the code. So like this part here corresponds to this part of the page, and this part here corresponds to this part of the page. So to get started, I'm going to click the body part here. And then if I want to change something about it, I can change it down in the CSS here. So let's say I want to change the background. I don't like a white background. I can either change the code, which is this after the number sign. Now this isn't a normal set of numbers. This is hex code, which means each one of these numbers goes up to 16. So it's 1 to 9, and then A to F. So 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. So I can either just change that code here. Let's maybe change this F to a 9. You can see it changed the color, made it a blue. But if you want, you can just click this colored square here and change the color the old-fashioned way. So let's say I want to make it green. And now it's green. Alright, and let's say you don't like the size of the font at the bottom here. You maybe want to change the size of that font. So you can come down to here where it says font size, and we can change the number. So let's say I want the font size to be size 30. Don't forget to add that PX after so it knows you're talking about size. Alright, so as you can see, it got all big and squishy, and that's kind of fun. But let's say you really want to mess up this website. You can start to delete whole parts of it. So let's click on this header here and press backspace. Look at that, we deleted a whole section of that website. It's just gone. Maybe we want to delete all of it. You can click on the body and hit delete. Bang, it's all gone. The website's gone. But don't worry, we can still fix it. If you want to reset it and fix it, all you have to do is come to the top here, where the reload arrow is, and click the reload button. And as you can see, it just brought it all back and fixed it. So if you want to see more videos about how to use HTML or CSS, you can check out our Bootstrap video under our Web Design tab. Or you could always type them into Google, and you can learn about them that way if you want. Alright, thanks for watching.